Master Walmart Seller Center. Create product variations in minutes. I'm going to be showing you how to do that in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be showing you where to access free Walmart training. Let's dive in. Okay, so first, this is a variation we created for a client on Walmart. You can see it has the color, blue, pink, purple, and then you can just click through it and it's a variation. So that's what we're going over, how to create a variation like this. So if you don't know how to create a variation and you're following this video, there's also steps below. You can just Google how to create a Walmart variation. There's a video, it's all right, but there are steps right here. Create a variant group, full setup guides, and there's a full guide that's actually created by Walmart that could help you with this. But anyway, the first step that you want to do is you want to go into catalog and you want to show up here. Make sure that you have all of your listings created already. And then what you're going to do is copy their GTIN number. So you're just going to click on the listing and you're going to see the GTIN right here. So we're going to copy this one. So I'm going to have this one right here. And then we're going to do the green. Oops. Let's go back. And then we're going to get the green GTIN. And let's say we're going to do one more. We're just going to do the light blue. All right. Now that you have the three GTINs, you have the listings created, they're already optimized. Now we're going to create them into a variation. And you're simply going to click Update Items, Update with GTINs right here. Now you're going to say if it's seller fulfilled, Walmart fulfilled, or convert to WFS. We're going to say that they're seller fulfilled right now. And then you're going to put them in. And then you're going to download the file. Wait for the file to download, and then we're going to upload it. It took me to activity feed. So if you don't see it, activity feed, and then downloads to download the file. Right now it's not here. I'm just going to click refresh. I'm going to wait for it to show up. Sometimes it takes 2 to 5 minutes. Now it finally appeared, and we're going to click download. Once we download that, we're going to open it, and it's going to look something like this. So just make sure everything's correct, the SKU, it's all going to be correct. It's going to be filled in for you. Make sure they all have the same category. If not, switch the category, right? And then you're going to go all the way to the right until you enter this light green section. And now anything that says variant, you're going to start filling out. So if you want them to have all the same variant group ID, and you're going to create it yourself. So let's say I want the variant. This is how you group them together pretty much. So I'm going to do hickaway, hiccup, hickaway, hiccup, case. And then you want to just copy that for all of these. And there you go. Now you have the variant ID and they need to be all the same. Now the variant attribute details. So you can do it by color or something. So we're just going to do it by color just like we showed you in this part right here. We want to see this is how we did it. We did it by color. So we did blue, pink, purple. All right. So we're going to do it by color. Put down color. Variant attribute names. Again, if you wanted to add this information, we don't have to right here. But if you wanted to add something else, maybe if there's 2 attributes, let's just do 1 for now. Is the primary variant. So note whether item is intended as the main variant in the variant grouping, right? So which one's the main variant? I don't want to have 2 as the main variant. So which one's going to show up pretty much as the main variant, right? So when we search this item, I'm just going to show you. So if we type hickaway and this item shows up, where's the case? There it is. So the green right now is the main variant because that's the one that's showing up first. So we want to see which one's the main variant. And again, the swatch attributes, we're doing color. And we're going to do the image URL. So what's the swatch image URL for each one? And this kind of comes back to here. Let's go back to here. And if we click on this, we're going to say, okay, what are the swatches? So we can see if there's multiple swatches, we can see this is the swatch. If you just want to make them like the first image, you can just copy image address. This is why you can open up your listing. And let's say green, we want it to just be like this. We can copy the image address. Then we can go back to the sheet. And this is the green one. And then we just paste it there and boom. So now when the variant shows up, the little circle is going to show up as that image that we just copied. If you don't have an image, you want to have a Walmart URL, that's going to be work the best. So just make sure you upload it to your listing, maybe as the last image, copy that, and then you can have that as your variant image. Now that's just about it. The only thing that we're missing is, okay, where do we put the color? So you can do Control F1 here and put in color, and you can see it's already showing the colors. So as long as you have this filled in, color category, then since we're making the variant, it's automatically going to copy this, and green will go with green, purple will go to purple, and this one will go to multicolor. We're going to change this one to purple just so we have it. Is there purple in here? There it is. Now we're going to save this. Make sure you fill out any other details you want to add. You're going to exit out of this. Then you're going to go back into your catalog, and you're going to go to upload, update items, update with file, and then you're going to do, this is an update all attributes file. And again, we're doing seller fulfilled. You're going to browse it, and then you're going to upload it here. After you upload it, it's going to give you an activity feed ID. Just have that feed ID ready, because sometimes if you're not the brand owner or if you did a little error, it's not going to be pushed through. So get that feed ID. So let's say this is the feed ID once you actually process it. And then go ahead and open up a case with Walmart and just be like, hey, can you help me set up this variation? It's not showing. Sometimes it does take 2 to 24 hours to actually show, but just opening that up with Walmart will help. So you can say, hi, I am trying to create a variation and it's not working. Please help. Here is my activity feed ID. That's what they're going to ask for. They're going to ask for the activity feed ID. You can also give them all the GTINs if you want to, right, of all the items that you're selling. And that way they have all the information they need. Walmart is a bit slow, but sometimes you do need that extra approval to push those variations through, or there might be a tiny error and they can come in and fix it and then help you get it pushed through. And that's it for today's video. Comment below on how you recently conquered Walmart. And for saying towards the end of the video, what you can do is just go to Google and type in free Walmart seller training. And now it's going to have Seller Academy right here, and this is free Walmart training that's actually created directly by Walmart. It has shipping and fulfillment, it has catalog optimization, creating variations, videos on everything. It's got a lot of great content and they've been adding to it constantly. I highly recommend going through this. If you did learn something new in today's video, drop a like. If you're already a Walmart seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with anything regarding Walmart, variation creation, or anything, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. There's a link in our description where you can contact us or even schedule a call right away. Also, our #1 service is where we'll come into your Walmart account, we'll do an analysis, we'll get your listing score even higher, help you generate sales, and most importantly, make sure your sales are continually increasing on a regular basis. That's our full account management. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.